Oh, the windows in, glass in, trickle vents put on. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't realise the internal reveal was lower than the external. It's quite a lot. It's right on, it's not, by the time you can see that the frame's pretty much disappeared under. That's from the outside. I'm just waiting for the M caps, they didn't ship me any, so got a couple more coming. But that's it, we're on. That's got a decent gap, unfortunately, but that's due to the fact that I had to put I'd give myself plenty of space for the lintel. Probably too much space, to be honest. It's hard to measure the old one because there were that much gobbo around it. The top one I've screwed on the angle iron. There's not much weight up there, there's no supporting, just a couple, but that's it, we're done. Windows in, apart from sealed. I'm picking a good day, it's going to be bad tomorrow. I need to do a cement work, fill a bit in, expanding foam, and run round with the silicone. But it doesn't have to be done today. Even though with all these gaps it's a lot more sealed than what it was. Got the spray for the bottle. Give it a little, just douse it. Just for the expanding foam. Snap the cap. So and we're just going to pop. Switch it. Not a lot. Just a couple of other little areas just at the back of the door. We'll just get the nozzle in there for a cavity. This has already been pre-wetting, so tricky is not to do too much. A bit up the top there, and get in there. A bit awkward. But again, the trick is not to do too much. And she just keeps going. There we are. That'll do for now. Was there up there? That little piece here, look. Just a touch. This will grab hold of the frame, draft proof it. It's a really good grab as well. And it'll wire brush off after. Just try not to get it on your frames, that's the nightmare about it. Right.